Welcome to the Information Center of International Contractors. If you enjoy what you are provided, please support us by liking and subscribing. Tender announcement for renovation works at QREC and QEF. The Public Works Authority has announced the tender for the design and build of renovation works at Qatar Racing and Equestrian Club, QREC, and Qatar Equestrian Federation, QEF, under tender number PWA/GTC/41/2024. This tender is classified as an Open GTC and requires a tender bond of 3,250,000 QR. The issuing date for this tender is set for December 17, 2024, with the closing date scheduled for February 18, 2025. Interested parties should note that document fees amount to 22,000 QR and that the project ID for reference is BP 2024C038G. Participants are encouraged to utilize the technical support hotline, available 24/7 at toll-free number 188, should they encounter any issues while using the system. To assist bidders, the Supplier Online Bidding User Guide for the Oracle e-tendering system can be found on the relevant webpage. It is advisable to use Microsoft Internet Explorer version 9 or above for optimal viewing, and TeamViewer version 11 or higher is recommended for technical support. Given the system's limitations on large attachments, bidders should either compress their files or split them into smaller ones, ensuring that all documents are uploaded at least 5 hours before the closing time to avoid any last-minute issues. Please note that late submissions will not be accepted, and no exceptions will be made by PWA after the specified closing time.